So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on and off ang ating Bluetooth sa ating Android or Google TV. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating homepage, pumunta lang tayo or hawakan lang natin ang ating TV remote. So dito guys, meron kayong two options kung paano natin turn on and off ang ating Bluetooth. So una, pwede nating pindutin or hanapin dito sa ating TV remote and pwede din naman piliin natin dito sa mismong screen ng TV. So dito guys, sa screen ng TV, ipupunta lang natin sa pinakang settings. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nasa pinakang settings na yung ating pipilian. So i-open lang natin. And ayan guys, after nyo yung mapili, ganyan yung lalabas. So kung makikita nyo, nandito na yung option ng Bluetooth. So ayan yan guys, makikita nyo. So i-okay lang natin yung Bluetooth para makita nyo yung turn on and off. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, ito na yung ating remotes and accessories para sa Bluetooth. So may switch button dyan sa pinakang Bluetooth. Ang gagawin nyo is, itatap nyo lang or pipindutin nyo lang yung OK para ma-turn on and off. Gusto nyo turn off, i-tap nyo lang or i-OK nyo lang yung yes. And kung gusto nyo namang i-turn on ulit guys, tap nyo ulit yung Bluetooth, yung OK. And ayan guys, naka-turn on na ulit yung ating Bluetooth. So ganun lang kung gusto nyo i-turn on and off. I-OK nyo lang and then yes. So ayan guys, naka-turn off na yung ating Bluetooth sa ating Google or Android TV. So ayan guys, yung second option naman natin is madali lang. So balik tayo sa homepage. So, ayan guys, pag nasa homepage na yan, ito yung pinakamadaling paraan. So, hanapin nyo lang yung settings button dito sa pinakang remote ng TV. So, ito guys yung settings. Tap nyo lang. And yan, lalabas na yung ating pinakang settings ng TV or ng ating Android TV. So, ganun lang din. Pupunta natin sa Bluetooth. And ayan, ito turn on and off lang natin siya dito. So, ipapress nyo lang yung OK and mato-turn on na siya. Gusto nyo i-off, i-double nyo lang or i-confirm nyo lang yung yes para ma-turn off yung Bluetooth sa ating Google or Android TV. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.